Nigerian people, we are here on this procession to express our displeasure on the policies of federal government. Number one, the removal of the fuel subsidy without providing palliatives that will cushion the impact. All of us are aware the current impact of the price of petroleum products. The price today is at 617 official, but some places still up to 700 naira per litre. Comrades, this has affected the price of goods and services in Nigeria. The common man cannot breathe. They say let Nigerians breathe, but we cannot breathe. They should allow us to breathe. They should reverse these policies. They should put our affairs to order. If we have local production of petroleum products, they regulate. The price will not be like this. It is the cost of importation, the cost of refining abroad. That is why we are suffering. So today, as NLC, as 2UC, Civil Society Group, we say no to it. Nigerians, we are tired. We cannot continue like this. We cannot be suffering and smiling. We must resist this. We must protest. The government of today, if they say they are the government of the people, they should hear our cry and reverse these policies. There are people united. There are people united.
If they still say and insist that some persons are eating the subsidy, we are saying that arrest those persons and prosecute them. You cannot punish few people. You cannot meet the evil of the few to the generality of the public. Exactly. Finally, we want to say this, that no government, no court can stop Nigerians to protest. You can stop unions, you can stop groups, but you cannot stop Nigerians to protest. Yes. The same right that gave powers to government, not the same right that gave powers to Nigerians. Our employers cannot dictate for us. This is our message. Thank you very much.
Labour will not fold our hands as a matter of right and continue to allow the government to conquer us. As a matter of interest, to allow the government to continue to conquer Nigerians. We say no to all the anti-people policies of the government. This is just a one-day warning to stop the government from ambushing Labour and ask them that they should do everything possible to ensure that the ongoing negotiation is landed to a win-win. If that does not happen, we won't have any choice than to deploy our union's might to protect our members and Nigerians as a matter of right and interest.
So our demands is we want our pension to be paid immediately, and from henceforth there should be no more delay on remittance of our pension. Then also the working environment should be improved. There should be light. Windows should be provided. Desk tables should be provided. We need working tools, computers, printers, papers that we need to work should be provided. We will not leave this place until this is done. We are not resuming back to work. We have started until all our demands are met. We are ready to stay here as long as it takes.
His Excellency has assured that he feels the plight of his people, the pains that our people are going through, that he feels it as your leader, as your servant. And you can assure with me that His Excellency is the first governor in the entire length of this country that went ahead knowing the implication and feeling the implication of that decision to release free buses for the people of Rivers State. His Excellency has also asked me to let you know that difficult times require difficult decisions, and has asked that I should appeal to each and every one of you to be patient. You have presented this communique. His Excellency I will present to him, and he will definitely ensure that it gets to the appropriate authorities at the national level. At the state level, he has asked that I should assure you that he is restless. He is restless, and he is ever willing to do everything humanly possible within his power as the governor of Rivers State to ensure that the challenges, the current challenges that are being felt by not just only members of the Labour, but the generality of the masses of Rivers State, that those challenges are properly addressed. He has asked me to tell you to be patient with him, to come on board and work with him, to give him the necessary support and give him time to see the manifestation of the policies that he has already planned and to put in place. I want to assure you that the document I have this morning will be submitted to His Excellency, and it will be so submitted to the national level.